Today I am going to show you all how to make donut chart in Tableau. First of all, I am showing you how is a donut chart looking like. With that, I am going to my Google Chrome. I will search donut chart. So here you can see how a donut chart look like. A donut chart is a overlap of two circles. One is a regular pie chart and other is a whole circle. Let's start from scratch. I am showing you the dataset which I am using. That is known as Sample Superstore dataset, which is inbuilt in Tableau. It is containing many rows and columns. The fields which are listed in the dataset are row ID, order ID, order date, ship mode, customer ID, customer name, segment, country, city, state, postal code, region, product ID, category, subcategory, product name, sales, quantity, discount, and profit. So let's jump into Tableau. For donut chart or for any chart, I will use the order sheet. I will double click on that. Oof, it's 2 times. I have to remove it. First click on this drop down arrow and then click on remove. It removed. You can see the fields are listed here. I will go to the sheet 1. For a donut chart, I am going to create a calculated field named constant whose value will be 0. What is the name? Name is constant and the value is 0. The calculation is showing that the calculation is valid. So I will apply and OK. I have to take this constant field into the rows. I have to take it 2 times. So I will drag and drop it. I will press for the second time. I will press Ctrl key and drag and drop it. These are the marks card. These are the pages. These are the filters and these are the marks card. So for the first marks card, I have to make it as pie. And in the second marks card, I have to make it as circle. In the first marks card, take region to colors and sales to size or the angle. Then increase the size of the first pie. Oof, it's blasting, so I need to do it the entire view. Now it's looking nice. Now in the second marks card, change the color of the circle as white and the border as black. Now put on the dual axis like this. Click on the drop down menu of the second constant field and here search for dual axis. Here is a dual axis. Dual axis. And don't forget to put on the labels. Your donut chart is ready. I will rename the sheet as donut chart. I will create a dashboard for this. The size of the dashboard should be automatic. I will click, drag and drop. So here is my dashboard. Sweet, kind and cute looking dashboard. Thank you guys. Thank you guys for your patient listening. Bye bye. See you in the next video. In order to make sure you don't miss my future videos, hit subscribe, hit the bell so you get notified, and lastly, please share this video with others. It's a great way to support my channel and the work I do.